Hi students, in previous class, so what we discussed, so on the basis of light behavior, so optics, so on the basis of light behavior, we divided uh, this branch into three branches, that is ray optics, wave optics, and particle nature. So ray optics means when light behave like a lightचा behavior याच्यामध्ये like a ray. Wave optics म्हणजे lightचा behavior on the basis of wave behavior of wave nature of light. Particle म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये lightचा behavior as a particle. So from ray optics, so what we can explain? Property is this one, phenomena, refraction. As a ray, when light is a ray, we can explain refraction, reflection, scattering, dispersion. And when light is a wave, then what we can explain? It's a we can explain interference, diffraction, and polarization. When light behaves like a particle, it's a what we can explain? So photoelectric effect and quantum. So in this class, आपण एक next class, next successive classes. So आपण एक optics, whatever branches are there, that we will see. Now today's class we will discuss about ray optics. Ray optics म्हणजे काय? याच्यामध्ये काय असतं? That we will see. So when light behave like a ray, that time so refraction, reflection, all this process you can see. याच्यामध्ये ray optics म्हणजे so now light behavior कसं as a ray, lightचा behavior आता as a ray, so that we have to consider. So ray optics. So this ray optics, in order to understand this, त्याच्यामध्ये 4 laws आहेत. This ray optics will obey 4 laws. First, we will see first law. So when light will enters in a homogeneous isotropic medium, so light will travel in a straight line path. So when light will travel in a straight line path, so when light will enters to the homogeneous and isotropic medium, when this light straight line path, when it will follow, when it will enters to the when light ray homogeneous आणि isotropic medium मध्ये येते, त्यावेळे लाईटचं डायरेक्शन, लाईटचं प्रॉपगेशन असं स्ट्राइट लाईन मध्ये होते. कसं? What you mean by homogeneous? Homogeneous means a medium. If I consider if this is a glass medium, this is a glass medium. याच्यामध्ये molecules arrangement होते, and this is a so property of the, suppose याच्यामध्ये density, physical property I will consider a density. हे डेन्सिटीचं व्हॅल्यू हे मीडियम मध्ये इथं पण सेम व्हॅल्यू असते 1.9, इथं पण सेम व्हॅल्यू असते 1.9 आणि इथं पण 1.9 आणि that property remains same in all throughout the medium. If I consider throughout the medium, the physical property will be same, then we will call that as a homogeneous medium. Densityचं व्हॅल्यू कुठेही पण इथं या इथं value will be same, then we will call that medium as a homogeneous medium. And this medium, if I consider in x direction या y direction या z direction, ह्याच्या डेन्सिटीचं व्हॅल्यू 1.9 चेंजेस होत नाही, then we will call that as a isotropic medium. होमोजिनियस आणि आयसोट्रोपिक. होमोजिनियस म्हणजे कुठं पण हे मीडियममध्ये कुठं पण मी डेन्सिटी मेजर केले तर व्हॅल्यू विल बी सेम, देन वी विल कॉल दॅट ॲज अ होमोजिनियस मीडियम. आणि हे ग्लास मीडियम कुठंही डायरेक्शनमध्ये घेतले तर एक्स डायरेक्शन या वाय डायरेक्शन या झेड डायरेक्शन कुठंही डायरेक्शनमध्ये घेतले तर व्हॅल्यू विल बी 1.9 ओनली, द व्हॅल्यू विल बी सेम ओनली, देन वी विल कॉल दॅट ॲज अ आयसोट्रोपिक मीडियम. So when light will enter homogeneous isotropic medium मध्ये, when light will enter this homogeneous आणि isotropic medium मध्ये, when light will come, that time what happens, light will follow in the straight line path. हे homogeneous आणि isotropic medium आहे, then light will flow propagate in a straight line path direction. हे first law. Okay, हे first law काय सांगते, when light will enter in a homogeneous and isotropic medium, so light will propagate in a straight line path. This is the first law. And the second law. So what is second law? Second law will tell a point है, इधर two light ray will come here. What we will call this as point of intersection. Two light will meet. Two light rays, when two rays are meet at a point, that we will call as a point of intersection. So इथं two light ray meet at one point, so we will call as a point of intersection. तो काय होते, हे two light आहे ते इथं meet झाले, नंतर त्यांच्या path मध्ये काय पण चेंज होत नाही, ते सेम path फॉलो करते, ते path ला काहीच होत नाही, then we will call. So this is a second law of ray optics. So what is that law? So when two or more rays, they will meet at a point of intersection, so that path will not change. Beyond that point also they will follow the same path. Path la kai hot nahi, that path will be same. So this is the second law. And third law. What is third law? Third law, law of reflection. Law of reflection म्हणजे काय? So first law of reflection मध्ये first law आहे incident ray, हे incident ray, हे reflected ray आणि हे normal. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal lie on the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane. आणि हे angle of incidence आणि हे angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. हे law of reflection. So previous class we saw. So when incident ray, reflected ray and हे है normal, all are in the same plane. आणि angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. A law of reflection that will obey in ray optics. Ray optics obey this law also. So first law, so when light will enter from homogeneous to isotropic, homogeneous and isotropic medium, light will follow the straight line path. Next law, so when two ray will intersect, so next after that intersection also their path will not change. So path will be same. So beyond that point also they will follow the same path. After that third law, law of reflection. म्हणजे light will come, so it will reflect back. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal lie in the same plane, and angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, third law. And fourth law, law of refraction. Ray optics आणि एक law obey करतात, ते काय? Law of refraction. ह्याच्यामध्ये पण first law काय सांगतात? That also we saw in the previous class. हे असं medium 1 आहे, हे medium 2 आहे. When this is a incident ray आणि हे refracted ray आणि हे normal. So incident ray, refracted ray आणि opposite side to the normal, all are in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray or opposite side of the normal, all are in the same plane. आणि काय सांगतात law of refraction? angle of sine of the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the ratio of sine of the angle of refraction is equal to the given pair of media and given color already we discussed. So angle, the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is equal to a constant value. Sin I by sin r is equal to a constant. When it is constant, so for a given pair of media means given color of light. So a four laws that we obey by the ray optics. ray optics मध्ये four laws है. What is that laws? First law will tell when light ray will enters from homogeneous to isotropic medium, it will follow straight line. Next, so when two light ray will intersect, so after that also path will not change. So beyond that point also same path it will follow. Next, law of reflection. Law of reflection मध्ये incident ray, reflected ray and normal all line the same plane and angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That is reflection. Next, refraction. Incident ray, refracted ray are opposite sides of the normal all line the same plane. Sine, the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of reflection